Hi, it's Clark Reid popping back in with more tech headlines for you today. You know, if you like these reports, you could really do us a favor by clicking the like button, and you can also subscribe so you know when each new report is posted for you. Apple has finally decided to unify its operating system nomenclature at WWDC. Instead of different numbers for the Mac OS and iOS and all the rest, the systems will use a year-based name system. And 9to5Mac.com says they're going to jump 6 months ahead with the systems taking names like Mac OS 26, iOS 26, Watch OS 26, and all of that. Honestly, it's about time Apple fixed this. Now people will know if they're using the latest system or not just by the year. A group of pension fund leaders sent a letter Wednesday to Tesla chairman Robin Denholm demanding that Elon Musk spend at least 40 hours a week working at Tesla. According to CNBC, the investors say the company faces a crisis. The letter says Tesla's stock price volatility, declining sales, as well as disconcerting reports regarding the company's human rights practices and a plummeting global reputation are the cause for serious concern. No kidding. It contains, moreover, many issues that are linked to Mr. Musk's actions outside of his role as techno king and chief executive officer of Tesla, including his high-profile role as an architect of the U.S. Department of Government Efficiency, or DOGE. They also ask for a clear succession plan and an outside director with no connection to Musk or his relatives. Tesla stock's down 12% this year, and sales are off over 50% in Europe. Former British Deputy Prime Minister and former Meta executive Nick Clegg has complained to the United Kingdom regulators that a push for artist consent would basically kill the AI industry. TheVerge.com notes that Clegg spoke at an event plugging a new book. He says the creative community should have the right to opt out after having their work used to train AI models, but he claimed it isn't feasible to ask for consent before ingesting their work first. Quote, I just don't know how you go around asking everyone first. I just don't see how it would work, Clegg said. And by the way, if you did it in Britain and no one else did it, you'd basically kill the AI industry in this country overnight, end quote. And I say, let it die then. The union I belong to, SAG-AFTRA, has negotiated contracts which makes it what seems like a small ask to us. Get the artist's permission first and pay us for the use of our creative work or our likenesses and voices. This is not a remotely big demand. What Clegg and others want is the ability to steal creative work without asking permission in advance or paying. Since when is it reasonable to base an entire industry on the theft of people's creative works, really? An amendment to the Use and Access Bill would, in Parliament, would require technology companies to disclose what copyrighted works were used to train AI models. Paul McCartney, Dua Lipa, Elton John, and Andrew Lloyd Webber are among hundreds of musicians, writers, designers, and journalists who signed an open letter in support of the amendment earlier in May. And good for them. Anthropic has started to roll out a new voice mode for its Claude chatbot apps. TechCrunch.com reports that the net's mobile app users will have complete spoken conversations with Claude. It'll be in English. It'll be out and available in just a few weeks, they say. And Anthropic's touting its use when your hands are busy, but your mind is not. OpenAI and Google already have a voice mode, of course, as does Elon Musk's Grok. Anthropic is offering 5 distinct voice options, and you can switch between text and voice on the fly. And you can see a transcript and summary following conversations with Claude. Voice conversations count towards normal usage caps. You should note that. And that means about 20 to 30 conversations is the most free users can expect to have. I'm Clark Reid, and you're Technified for now.